In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom list and its corresponding form. So before we get there, let's talk about what a list is. A list is a place to store data. So the data that is organized in terms of columns and rows. So that kind of sounds like a table. For example, in Excel, you have a table of data, like sales items and things like that. In database, you could have a table, but a list is not quite robust as a database table. Of course, you can export it to a database application, then you can use it as a data and create something more meaningful information out of it. But it's more about storing data in SharePoint. And form is kind of a window to the list. So you can add or feed more records or the list, in this case list items, into the list, or you can view it as well. So let's start. In the SharePoint website, go ahead and click on the lists link from the quick launch bar and click on the create button, and from the category you can click on the filter by, click on the list, and then select a custom list. Custom list is good because it gives us a certain flexibility in terms of creating not just the list itself, but also creating a form for it. So go ahead and type the list name. Let's say this is for new faculty members, so I'll say new faculty and click on create. So it created a list, and then if you click on the new item, it'll open up a form for that list. So by default it has only one field showing up, so it doesn't do much meaningful work, so we're going to have to modify it. So let's go in the list tab and click on this create new column tool. Click on it, and let's say I'm going to add a new field called name, and then choose the option for a person or a group. Then the SharePoint will modify the view a little bit. The person or group option is for linking the user database. So in your SharePoint, there's a database just like an Outlook, a database of all the users, and you can use that for putting the names. So I think it'll be a lot clearer once you see it. Alright, and then you come down here. This form, I guess I'll say we just keep this default as they are, and then go ahead and click on OK. And then now let's take a look at what the new form looks like. There's the title, and the title would be, let's say, new English faculty, perhaps. And then come down here, you have this check names or the browse buttons added to it. And then as I type, let's say my name, Yoon.mo, and then check names, now you can recognize that that name is in the list, and you can go ahead and click on save, and that new list item is added to it. So you can click on it to view it, and you can edit it, you can delete it, you can do many things. Um, so as you add more, you have more list items. And that's basically it.